Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. Today is October the 18th, 2021. And you probably have already heard, but General Colin Powell has passed away today. He was the former Secretary of State under President Bush. He was also a Joint Chief of Staff, and he passed away from COVID-19. This is what his family wrote on his Facebook page this morning. It says General Colin Powell, former U.S. Secretary of State and Chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, passed away this morning due to complications from COVID-19. He was fully vaccinated. So I just wanted to pass this on to you guys. You probably, like I said, you probably have already heard. But again, subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching. Have a great day.